record. We have a lot of here, man. Hold on, Northwest. We're tailing. Okay, good, good. Just go. Come Northwest, come Northwest. What is that
May
blob?
blob.
Can you check?
Oh,
What
it's
guild is
one
that?
done.
Ah, fuck. Smoka. Wait, what the fuck? How many you have? Smoka. Can you X up in ally chat? Apple. Silento is with you? Ah, okay. Races, can you invite it's me Apple in the party for party 2? Do we have party 2 already, Races? Can you type in guild chat?
Yeah, he invited me. Can you give me party lead, bro? So I can
What?
mark. No, I'm talking to Races, I think his name is.
Yeah. Can you pass the party lead to Apple? Or Apple, are you here already?
I am zoning into Longfen Marsh.
Okay.
The loot going is in with
Huh? Careful, yeah, careful. There's gankers here. I saw a ganker. The tailors sweeps in the southeast. Zone on contact. If you're getting gank, type in guild chat.
Someone's been.
via chat, the kill chat.
Yeah, Loot Goblin is with Wisteria.
Oh,
I'm
We
good,
can
man.
fight
We're
them.
gonna keep zoning it.
26 DA.
You
Told them
fighting
it's fine.
someone?
Oh,
I thought
what
you
is
said
that
they were
blood?
fighting someone.
It is fighting someone. What is that blob on earth? Can you check? Unlucky hindi blob. Come southwest. Ryu?
Murder boar.
Let them be.
Wait. Right here.
Come southwest. Come southwest. Easy. Oh my goodness. I mean, this will be a good. Guys, hit record. Newbies, hit record. Hit record. Before we start.
I'm gonna
Races, are
GM.
you with us already? Okay, yeah. You are. Atrax. They OC though. We play on the. Mhm. Yeah, you guys are big. Yeah, you guys are big. Come south. Come south. We play on south.
27
We
DA.
play on
Mia, Mia,
southwest.
Mia,
We play
Mia,
on...
Mia, Mia. Are you fighting now? Don't yet,
Nah,
don't
not
yet,
yet,
don't
not
yet.
yet, not yet, not yet.
Are they fighting?
Not yet, not yet, not yet. Come east here. Who is this guy? AFK? Healer? Is that ship?
Yeah.
Did you zone already? Mocha?
No, I'm relogging the game.
Wait. Come northeast for the meantime. Go back northeast for the meantime. Do not zone, ah. Conscripted is with them.
Diba? Adobo.
They said WAP ally is coming. Hold on northeast gate. We wait.
27 to
Vacuum, you know how to play it, right? Play in front, okay? If the enemy is brawl, you play with us. If the enemy is clap kite, clap range, you play in front. I don't see no. Oh, it's PSG.
Taba Uzi is the caller. Seems.
Forsaken. What the fuck is Forsaken? Come back northeast for the meantime. Zone northeast, zone northeast. $16 to 30 here. Can you catch this guy? This mount? Catch Janix. Catch Janix.
Wait, don't. Mia.
Okay.
Wait. Mia, I talked to you first. There'll be WAF Alliance 33
Yeah.
DA. If they come through, let them fight in a castle, and we'll hit them from the side, yeah? And after that, you need
Okay,
full
okay.
kite. As usual,
Okay.
outnumbered head dips, nothing changes.
Okay. And that would be a reckless fight. Oh, here they come. Fuck.
Oh, okay.
They big. We end up the baby here again. Who's this? I think I might hit the WAP Alliance for the meantime. I doubt that we can kill them though. Takeda. Was this PSC?
Honti?
What the fuck? Hunty?
Yeah. Honti is asking me. It's the MVP.
Oh?
Kill him.
Hunty.
Kill Hunty. Kill him, bro.
Mia, team block. Get out of the gate, Mia.
Come southwest,
Okay.
come southwest, come southwest.
One zone.
Southwest.
Zone.
If you're late, no. If you're late, no. Go back if you're late.
Oh,
Just get out on the gate. Get out on the gate. Come southeast. Once you zone, come south and then deblub. Are they holding?
They looks like
No.
yeah. They're just zoning.
Mm-hmm.
It is more here. Western.
Careful, careful.
They start.
Come southeast. Muff is dismounted there. Meet me on southwest. Wait, hold. Go back.
By the way, the one that died was the golem.
Where are you, Mocha?
I'm zoning now. Let them fight first.
Yeah, they're fighting. Come south. Follow me. Come southwest here.
Me, I'm so rough.
Way too open. So. Careful, they're over there. On the ping. Regroup with me.
Solo Gaga bomb. Okay. And they have a siege bow bomb. Okay. Siege bow bomb.
Wait, come southwest. Wait. Stay mounted. I'm looking for them. This is swap. Come southwest here. Dismount here.
This mountain
Put
top.
check OC. OC. Put check. You haven't.
You're southwest,
Come
yes.
north. Yeah. Come northwest.
Me, I'm so loud.
Wait, come back south, come southeast. Come east. Look on north, Wait. Can you stand on north? Look on north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast. Nice one. Come southwest. Shaper is coming.
Shaper,
Come
okay.
southwest. Yeah. Reset. Come southeast here. Wait, hold. Careful. There's nothing.
I'm ready.
Come southeast here. Look on east. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East is huge.
Left foot
Nice.
pushing it.
Come southwest. Yeah. Come southwest. Go southwest uphill. Go southwest uphill. Go southwest more. Hold. Guard on the northeast. Help our ally. Come
Yeah.
southwest. Heal our ally. Come southwest. Come west here. Yeah. Come west here. Come northwest here.
Galabob, careful. Galabob.
Yeah. Come northwest.
They're pushing
Ready,
from southeast.
Wait. Okay. Come south. Are they? No.
East.
Come back. Come northwest. Hug the wall west. Hold. Slowly. Spicy, come back. You're too far. Come west downhill. Slowly. Come west downhill. Wait. Are they following? Come southeast. No. Come west.
Northeast. Anyone northeast?
Yeah. Hold here. Wait. Hold.
You gotta
Look on
go
east.
northwest. Mia, go northwest.
Look
No.
on east, hello.
Mia. No. You see the bluff south? Yeah, move.
Come northwest. Walk northwest.
Yeah.
Good call.
They're all holding off. If you engage, you're gonna get sandwiched. That's why.
Come northwest. Hold here. Come southeast again.
Yeah. Now
Are they
you're good, now
following?
you're good.
They
Follow me,
following?
No.
Can you catch this?
Following.
Can you GA this battle mount? GA the battle mount. Can you catch? Unlucky. Come southeast.
Constructed one screen.
Hold.
Constructed one screen.
Go west.
They're
No.
watching.
Yeah. Hold. Look on east shallow. In 5,
Yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1. East shallow. Come back west. Which work is a little bit too late. Come west. Spicy, you're too far. Spicy, you're gonna get kidnapped. Reset to the heart mark. Okay. Heal on apple. Come northeast. Come east. Wait, hold. Look on north. Wait. North over the wall. Wait. Look on east. East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East. Oh fuck. Jay. Come back west. West downhill. Jacket. Tell me ready. Come southeast here.
Yes, pushing you. They're pushing
Come south. Yeah. Come south. Wait. Hold. Look on northeast over the wall.
Ready.
Fine. Step in front. Look on northeast over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the shaper. Kill the shaper. Nice one. Go back. Heal in front. Come west. No one died. Good. Rico died.
One of the one dons.
Unlucky. Come. Hold here. Come southeast. Wait. Slowly. Yeah. Okay. Hold.
Okay, so you put the
QW
ball.
on this guy. QW him. Kill him. What the fuck?
No, he disconnected.
He's immortal. What the fuck?
Conscripted, just engage me. Yeah, you have good.
Hey, come east. Wait. Slowly. Look on northeast, Come east and then look on northeast. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast. Nice one. Come back west. Good occult. Reset. Vacuum. Come here. Vacuum.
Ready, Ren?
I will trade you something. Come west.
Conscripted, just engage again.
Okay, wait. BC, it says. Wait. Hold on to this for the meantime. Do not die, ah.
They're spreading me, yeah. They're spreading.
Come east, come east, come east, come east, come east, come east. Slowly, slowly. Hug the wall southwest. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Come northeast, come northeast, come northeast, come northeast, come northeast. Come northeast, come
Conscripted going
northeast.
northeast, okay? They're moving out. Like,
Wait. Look on northeast. Wait. Come north, come north, come north, come north, come north. Come north, come north, come north. Come north, come north. Look on east. East shallow.
they're
Five,
rotating very more.
3, 2, 1. East shallow, east shallow, east shallow. Come northeast, come northeast. Wait. Come west, come west, come west, come west, come west, come west, come west. Be ready, ah. Come west, come west, come west. Dep in front. Guard rune in front. Oh, it's fake, it's fake. Come southwest, come southwest. Come south. Do not reset yet. Do not reset yet.
Ready.
Reset now. Reset. Hold here.
Okay.
I'm gonna aim you, you motherfucker. Hold here. Where's Mole Alliance?
Mole.
W.
They're looking southeast, okay? Southeast of you.
Okay, look on East shallow. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East shallow. Kill them. Almost. Come southwest. Come west. Guard rune. Come west. Dep. Giga. Come west. They have to engage, huh? Come west. Come northwest here. Queen W in front. Oh fuck, it's Habi, man. Come north.
Nakita.
Come north. Pink 1 is here. Pink 7 is here as well. Come north. Are they pushing? Come
I
north.
think they're getting by the guys in the castle.
Okay. Come north. Come north.
Don't engage, just hike. Full boots.
Yeah,
You
come
need to
north,
full
come
boots.
north.
You don't have the
Yeah,
space.
Boots north. If we have occult as well, occult on east. Do not mount up. Wait, come, keep walking. Fucking
They're still
Habi.
full pushing, yeah. Still full
Okay.
pushing. Catching the time.
Go southwest, southwest shallow. Wait.
Okay, they stop.
Stop.
Stop pushing.
Okay.
Stop pushing.
We can walk slowly back.
Yeah, okay. Come southwest. Habi, do not hit Habi, please. I cannot invite him.
Yo, I just saved you guys. I'm
Pink
the chocolate
seven.
there. It's in there.
Let's engage southwest together. Mia, let's
Engaging now, Mia.
Wait, go
Yes,
back.
yeah. Go east.
I have a fucking bad sight here.
You can. Mia, this is good enough. Mia.
Shallow.
Look southwest.
Wait. Southwest. South in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South. Oh fuck that. Nice, Jay. Good. Come east. Habi, can you join?
Wag para ma-GA ko rin ngayon kung engage kayo.
Ready.
Come back. Where's WAP Alliance? I don't see them. Come southwest. Hurry up.
Fight is going
Come southwest.
southwest.
Come southwest. Habi, ready, huh? Occult southwest.
Ready.
Occult west. Look on west. Wait. Guard rune. Come west. Just walk. Can you GA set up? Set up. Habi, can set up in the choke.
Mia, no. Mia, chill.
Come back.
Chill.
Too far. Habi, do not die. Yo, do not hit Habibi Bo.
They're turning on you, Mia. Now. They're turning on you.
Come southwest uphill.
They're
Where's my
going north.
rig?
You can stall, yeah. My riggers are catching up.
Map check, please.
Okay. Grey Mount Cliffs.
Invite mo kaya si
I
Habi
think
para
we stay are
baka
leaving.
sakaling
Yeah, stay are leaving.
Wag daw.
baka ma-J tayo.
Para.
Look on northeast. In 5. Can you see that? Oh fuck. Loot that shit.
Pumasok.
They'll leave. They're trying to leave, Mia. Okay.
Mia,
What?
I think we should leave now. They're
Yeah,
26 now.
come east. Mount up. We did good already. Come southeast now. Come northeast now.
Mia, sing a story if you wanna fight.
Okay, we fight.
Emmeline, your OC is gonna run out.
Huh?
Emmeline OC Raleigh.
Yeah, that's why we mount up. We're
Emeline,
going
double OC now. Emeline.
No, just walk for the meantime. Walk.
He has
He's
20
gonna
seconds left.
break.
He's gonna break, bro.
Dismount and second OC, Emmeline.
Emeline,
Dismount the second OC,
bro.
Emmeline. Dismount,
Miga.
and then OC again. Click OC. Just click it. You can click. It's clickable. It's red. Click. Nice.
Okay.
Finally, man.
God.
Mount up
Oh
again.
my god.
Come northeast.
Clutch OC.
We did good for newbies. But the DPS that killing are the Mole Alliance is following us though. Come northeast. They're gonna force a fight. They're gonna force a
They're
fight.
dismounting. Oh,
Dismounted, they
okay,
dismounted.
they're catching,
they
they're
dismounted. They're gonna force a fight. Just zone, just zone, just zone, just zone, just zone.
Di ako maka-zone. Fuck.
Why?
They're in the gate.
You can delay, you can delay. Blood, you okay? I mean,
yeah,
back-
they got. I'm dead. They got blind down.
Yeah. Shivan, Yikesy
fine,
died.
fine. Just regear, just regear.
Help coming.
Okay. What is that? What is that blob and northeast? Come southeast, come southeast. We did good. We killed both. But I think we die at that. Takeda? Never mind. They're not gonna fight us. Can you ask them for fight?
No,
Come southeast.
Mia, just go back to Portal. We have a fight. Go
Yeah.
back to Portal.
Fight Singosari instead. That's more than good. Who left the party though? Can you X up again? 2 guys left the party. Who is it? Milk Boy. Did you die, Milk Boy?
You tried to loot me.
No, I no loot. I left. What the hell?
Who else left?
I like this so much.
Mia. Go.
Arbok?
You're the only one who don't have Portal, is it?
From Limhurst?
Yeah. They're in
No,
Limers.
I have. But
Oh, then you go Lim. Yeah.
this,
They're in
no,
Lim.
no.
So much closer. So much closer.
These people doesn't have though.
Oh
They
shit.
just bounded. Unlucky.
Then
Come
I
here,
told
Baba.
them Stonewall Bay. Stonewall Bay.
Okay.
You tell those people to go from Stonewall Bay.
May
we
babalik
don't have-
bang...
From
We don't have
Bordas.
BA anymore, right? Spread in our back. Spread in our back now. Spread in our back.
Okay.
Oh, what the fuck? 6-3, man. Fuck you. Every time, man. Every time I don't have fucking gathering tools, I see this shit. Spread in our back.
Oh, yeah. Then I'll walk with you. Fuck you. I'll walk with you. Come. I'll walk with you.
Who?
Vacuum.
Fuck him.
Ah,
Dude,
fuck
shade
you.
him.
Yeah, I traded him.
Come. Follow me. Come.
Don't worry, we have time. Just walk. Swaggy, come here. Join me. Who fucking left? It's Pokey, right? No, Pokey is here.
I'm here.
Shib.
Rico left.
What the fuck?
He had some
Huh?
water. He said
Rico?
he had some water. Yeah. Some water.
No. We're gonna go Limhurst Portal. We're gonna walk to not Limhurst Portal, but Stonemouth Bay. How many do they have? I mean, that's a good fight. We did good on that fight earlier. I did not expect us to delete.
Mia. How many of you guys don't have Portal Binding? How many?
Have at least 13 to 15. That's how much.
Huh? Are you sure?
13. Yeah, 13 to 15.
Holy shit.
I mean, we can walk now though. We can start walking now.
Yeah,
Vacuum,
how
trade with the just trade with the loot.
Mia,
later.
try and get to Gully or Steppy. That's where Steppy. Steppy should be fine, I think.
There's Water Galley is much closer though.
Yeah.
If you ask me, it's the same.
Okay,
zone as-
Wycliffe Peak. With Wycliffe Peak. That's like
Peak. Where's Peak?
no.
No,
yeah.
that's too far. That's too far. We can go. There's Water Galley instead because of the Demonium. Keep. It's much
Yeah.
faster.
Must spend the end while we wait the fighting here.
Nah, fuck that shit. They don't want to fight us. I asked them for fight earlier. They acting tough, and then now that I'm asking them for fight, they don't want. Fucking. Map check vacuum in Ranat.
Dry land.
Drylands. Make it here alive. And then people. Zone on northeast now. Come northeast. Who fucking left my party? It's Blood. What happened to you, Blood? Come northeast now.
What fuck, gang?
Careful,
Try
careful.
and get there as fast as you can.
Okay, okay. Oh shit! Wait. Buy another food, boys. Evelyn, next time you don't OC when you OC. Once I told you to restock. No need. You already read OC. Did you have kills, Emeline? Tell me you have.
Yeah, Mia. Steppy. Southeast of Gully.
Southeast of Gully.
Yeah.
Can we not go
There's
to
17
Gully?
here. There's 17 here. We're 15 here. What's the number?
Can we not go to Gully instead? Come
A
notice.
what? A what?
Zone notice to Gully instead. Zone notice.
No. Because there's a fire in west.
Ah, okay.
You go to Gully, you get fucked by Hello Kitty.
Fuck. Look pretty, man. Come northeast. Northeast, not southeast. Northeast, boys. Northeast.
Mia, are you going now? Are you walking now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Mia, what do you need? I can join now.
KTM. You go hello Paul for party 2.
Okay.
We need another healer.
We lost one bedrock.
Plus one bedrock. It's fine. We have GA and we have Oathkeeper as well, so it's fine. The only thing I need from bedrock is the guard rune. That's more than enough. Final map is
That's
Water
Water
Step.
Steppy. If you have limb portal, just go from limb. If you don't have limb, just go from watch.
And just walk with us instead.
If you're late and you need a binding, there's a road from.
You can go blood. Don't worry.
Stop, you have a road
Yeah, there's a
to-
road from Sandrift Dunes to High Tree Enclave. Yeah, if you're late and you wanna go.
Hold the northeast. Who's this guy? Aring back?
Yeah.
Who is this? Hold. Do not zone yet. We have a tail.
Yes, Emilyn.
Emmeline, next time do not use his tag, okay? Do not loot. You're not supposed to loot it fight. If you play perma. This is not a red zone. In red zone, I allow it. Because it doesn't matter if you die there. Can you invite KTM in party 2? Who's the party lead? Can you X up in Alliance chat instead? I think it's me, Apple. The party lead. Or races. Zone Northeast and then go Southeast. Are you in party 2 already, KTM?
Can he X up in the land shot?
How many did we kill there earlier?
Not a lot.
How the fuck
For like
is-
10.
Oh, PSC. I thought it's PSZ. It's the cheater shit.
PSC.
Yeah, it's the cheater one. I thought it's PSZ.
No. PSC is not shooters. They just bad.
Yeah, I mean, it's the same thing. But we are much shit than them right now, though. Capybara. We did kill them, though. Roshi, good. 1 kill. Then go northeast.
Can we quickly zone into
Yeah, I
Limers?
have.
So we can, if you regear, we can just come from Limers.
Who?
We can quickly just enter Limers, then we can just, if we die, we can just go back to Limers, right? No need to bind.
No. We have to fight already. So if we die, good luck on Regear.
There's a very easy solution to Stone Diet.
And this is where you learn how not to die. You need to pop your fucking gigapots. Swaggy, what you're using?
Donsong.
Donsong? Okay, that's good. Then come northeast. Ranat and Vacuum. You have binding in Limhurst or no?
No. Vacuum has.
There's a road to
Yo, be
Limhurst.
careful,
I think.
Bianca. Vacuum, be careful, Bianca.
Where?
In front.
Incline?
Be in front. Stone Lake.
Stone Lake Fields. Why are you in Fields?
Because the tunnel also have ganker. So we.
Oh,
Yeah.
Mocha, what is the road to Limhurst?
Under Junes will have place.
Fuck, man.
Dunes to
Okay, we can go.
Dunes to
Yeah,
what?
yeah.
Junes to Enclave. Junes to Enclave.
They're catching you, Vacuum. Oh, you are late. We need to go back already.
You have to just zone in Smuggler Den and then just buy your new suicide in Smuggler Den. You're gonna take it later. I will must 16 your
Yeah,
case.
where you?
We are in Kip already, DK.
Okay. Then I'll start coming towards you then.
Vacuum, you okay?
I don't know. They keep chasing.
Just if they still chasing you, just go back to hit. And then fucking zone in the Smuggler Den. Just buy another set. Then try to gear up in Limhurst Portal instead. I'm missing Usagot and Blood. You're in Limhurst Portal, right?
Yeah, dito na sa step.
Yes.
Yeah, if you're in Lim, you can come with me. I'm leaving now.
You guys survive, Ranat and Vacuum?
No.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
it's fine. Vacuum, are you fine? They catch me. It's fine.
Vacuum, please tell me you're fine. Okay, good.
Yeah. Vacuum is fine.
What are
They're
you
melee
saying?
clap. They're melee clap. Yeah.
Okay, I mean it's more than it.
I think they might have a second engage. I'll look at the second engage.
They probably have. So it's 2 engage versus 2 engage.
Yeah.
Guys, keep an eye on your OC. Yeah? Emeline, I don't know if your OC will make it in time. We have to start the fight as soon as we get there. Vacuum and Kaisho. I mean Vacuum and Ranat. There's
Go back to portal now.
okay. There's a road, I think. Oh, I heard. Yeah, I just took whatever I have in my bank. This is supposed to be a practice for the newbies. So I minimize my gears.
Finish Brawl Club. Like Singosari.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
The fuck? You also die, Vacuum?
Cows, by the way.
You died.
Oh, fuck, you also die? What the fuck?
Vacuum, you die.
No way.
GG Rigger.
GG.
Fucking shit. The Shaper, man. Holy shit.
What's
Anong
favorite?
shaper?
Coffee?
What,
The 6.4 fully attuned.
Oh,
GG.
That's
You
like
died?
20 ml. Oh my god. Oh, this guy is a shot caller.
Dito na ata sila, Mea. Sa steppe.
Okay, we're here
Oh
already.
man.
Careful they dismounted. Come east. Zone and then come east. Zone and then come east. Zone and then come east.
14 days sila.
14 DA. Mocha, where are you?
Mia.
Yo.
Mia.
Yo.
They're asking if you want to have GG or not.
I mean, no.
On you.
No, GG. I want these people to learn how to run. Once the fight is going west, or going east, or going north. Second OC, boys. Second OC.
Mainly
Second
brawl,
OC.
yeah. Mainly
Yeah,
brawl.
they are in Liverpool. They have indie bomb. Can you mark? D-Tanks, keep an eye on their indie bomb, okay? Big boy. Keep an eye on them, okay? I think this. Miss. Mocha, where are you? Blood as well? Where are you?
Mia, I'm zoning now.
Okay.
I thought you wasn't here yet. That's why.
Okay. Vacuum and Renat, the roads to Lemurs is in Alliance chat. You can check it in Ally chat. Enclave. That's literally beside the Lemurs portal. Enclave.
Mia, where you at?
Once
go
you zone,
east.
we are in the east side. Yeah, this is us.
Sengo-san is holding the gate.
Okay. Tell them G. Do you have healer, Mocha?
Yeah, I have to.
Okay. I told
Yeah,
them
where
G
you at?
already.
You need to be with me. Where are you going?
Come southwest, Walk southwest, boys. Walk southwest. Walk southeast now.
Sengo-san is moving here.
Come southeast.
We're good to fight here, Mia. Bro, and then you go south to the shallow bridge, yeah?
This one.
They're dismounting now.
Is this Pangea guy with you? Or no? Is he with you?
Cryolize, yes.
Yeah, okay. Come southwest here. Wait, hold.
Missed, one screen from
Hey,
him.
GA. Come back
This guy.
southeast. Come back southeast. Spicy. Yo, do not hit the cryolize.
No.
Do not hit cryolize, please. Do not hit the sword mark, okay? He's with us. Come southwest here. Hold. Look on northeast.
Yo,
shallow.
don't hit, Kaisho, what the fuck?
Yo, do not hit, Kaisho. He's with us. The NB bomb is with us. What is that?
What the actual fuck?
Yeah. Emmeline, come back. You shouldn't be in front, Emmeline. Come back. Position on south. DPS, position on south. DPS, position on south. Fake perma. What is it? Fake perma, babe. Fake. Fake. Okay, nice. Left in front. Come southwest. Look on east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East. Nice one. Come southwest. Southwest. There's a bomb on southwest. Giga, demon. Come south. Walk through. Come south. Step in front. Hill in front. Come southeast. Reset. Look on northeast. Look on north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest. Nice one. Come south. Reset. Just reset.
You guys are too far, bro.
Do not be too far. Milk Boy died.
Yeah.
Habi, join party 2.
They're looking here.
Yeah. Come, position on south. Perma fake again. Dep in front. Heal me. Look on east, shallow. East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East. Nice. Almost. Reset again. Reset. Hurry up and reset. Hold. North in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North, shallow. Oh, nice. Come south.
Nice.
Wait, did we kill the fucking shot?
Go inside.
No, you didn't. Come
This guy. Inside us.
Kill the tank inside us. Kill him. Kill him, kidnap him,
Because
kidnap him.
he is.
Normal
No, do not hit the diamond bird, yeah?
Oh,
Hit the
Habibi,
silver.
po.
Comes out, comes out,
Shit.
comes out. Hold. Look on north, shallow. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North is shallow. It's huge. Nice one. Comes out.
Nice.
Nice, GA. Come southwest.
Any yards, any yards?
Come west. Dip in front. Dip.
Oh,
Heal me. Heal me, please. Heal me. Come west.
Ready.
Come west. Look on
Ready
northeast,
na.
Wait. Look on east. QNW in this guy. Come north. Look on northeast, deep. East deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North. Come back south. What is it? Come south. Nice push. Come south. J on north. Come southeast. Help me, cleanse me, please. Cleanse me. Come southeast. Step in front.
Ready.
Step. Come east. Look on west, West in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West. Nice one. Come southeast. Come south. Reset here. QW on the mobs. Come south.
Oh, shit.
Come southwest. Come south. Yeah. Come south. Follow me south. Cleanse. Do you have cleanse? Come southwest here. Fake perma northeast.
No,
5.
no, Perma, only me.
Ready.
Come southwest. Come south. Hug the wall south. Do not hit the BB bow, please. Hug the wall south. Hold. Look on north, North in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North shallow. Unlucky. Come back south. Reset here. Guardian in front. Come south. Southwest uphill. Southwest uphill.
Ready me.
Yeah. Just chill. West uphill. Go west uphill. And look on north, yeah. North in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North on me. Unlucky. Come west. Ready, guardian in front. Ready.